In this video, we are going to be testing out this brand new high voltage servo from KST in my Losi LMT to see just how good is this servo. New to the channel, welcome. My name is Troy and this is Roadside RC. You'll tend to find me doing bashing and crawling and drifting and racing, plus product review videos and how-tos. And today on the channel, a brand and a servo that I've never tested before. So this is the KST Servo brand. Full metal. This is the 28 kg waterproof version. Handles all the way up to 8.4 volts. You can find this on the KST Servo's website themselves for about $99. I was able to look around and find the same exact servo on like AliExpress for in the 80s. To test out this servo, I'm going to be using my Losi LMT because honestly, it's about the toughest thing on servos that I have. It is a servo eater. Yeah, now fortunately, as soon as I've got this hot racing servo saver on here, it has been doing well. I have one of my trusty Zuske 20 kg servos in there, and honestly, it's been fine ever since, but we're going to put this one in its place and see how it does. Now, before we do this, I'm going to do a couple baseline tests with this servo and servo saver before we put this in so we can see what the difference is. First, we're going to kind of do a speed and responsiveness test. And then now, with the truck sitting on the nose, you can turn the whole truck. Just like that, it is installed. Nice, straightforward, easy, good looking servo sitting out there. Well, let's do the first test again. Speed and responsiveness. Feels good, feels strong, looks good, so that's certainly a pro. Now we need to drive it. We need to get it outside, bash it, try it, see if it has the durability that this LMT needs. Let's get out there and give it a shot. there it is. Hey, servo lasted. It did well through all of that. You know, I purposely tried to give it some torment there. I purposely tried to let it bounce off of stuff and do cartwheels and, you know, things that honestly I've hurt some servos in this truck before. And hey, servo lasted. So that means Roadside RC stamp seal of approval. Again, I'll be leaving some links down below as to where you can go get one of these if you're interested. Thank you. Goodbye.